Greetings, folks. Let's say you've watched my other video on this Our Earth channel about how to turn off the chirping noise on a Kidde Carbon Monoxide Alarm or detector. Let's say you've tried everything that I listed on that video and it still is beeping at you. Well, one of the other things that I wanted to share was that these things don't last forever. So in my case, I had one that was with these AA batteries, and I looked at the date on the back and it was from 2013. So that was the expiration date on that particular alarm. So that alarm was probably 20 or at least 15 years old. So I ended up replacing the whole thing, and now it's not chirping. So just keep in mind that those things have a lifespan, and so if you've tried everything in my other video and it's still chirping, you might need to replace the whole thing. Now, the company, Kidde, they've been making these alarms for longer than anybody else. They also offer a sealed lithium long life battery one that's supposed to be for 10 years. This AA operated one of mine lasted a good 10 years as well. Anyway, there's some options, and the point is they don't last forever. So you might need to replace it if you've tried everything and it doesn't stop chirping at you. Another thing, take note of how this actually slides very nicely off of that back plate, so you don't have to lift it or pull it or twist it. It's easily taken on and off as I demonstrate here. Okay, well, take care and happy and safe home.